Okay, Susmita, tell me something about yourself. Please give your brief introduction.
Hello everyone, I am Sushmita. I am from Kalburgi. Uh,
Hmm.
I am completed at Appa University. Currently, I MBA.
I am doing MBA.
I am doing MBA at Appa University.
Okay.
My hobbies are watching a TV.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
speak English.
Okay.
I speak Hindi.
Hmm. Hmm.
I want to
Hmm.
become a bank manager. Um,
This is my
Ma-
brief
This
introduction.
is my
Brief introduction. Okay, Susmita, you have a lot of hesitation and fear. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you be free. Okay, and be free and be confident, be brave. Okay, be courageous. No problem. So, I told you in previous class also, mistakes are part of learning. So, you do not think about mistake, don't worry about mistake, because whenever you think about mistake, you cannot improve your English. That is why I am telling you, don't worry about mistake. Okay, you can make so many mistake, no problem. I am here to correct your mistake. I am here to, okay, rectify your mistake. So when you make mistake, you get chance to learn, okay, from your mistakes, no problem. Just I want to ask you, why did you join this course, communication course? Why did you, okay, take this course? Okay, please you tell me.
I want learning English.
Speak properly. Okay,
I
no
l-
problem. Don't worry about
I want
mistake.
learning English.
I want to learn English.
I want to learn English. I speak English.
I want to speak English.
I want to speak English.
Okay. Hmm.
Um,
Okay. You give me. Yes. You have to repeat with me. I am going to say something. You have to do same activities. Okay. Yes. Hi everyone. Good morning.
Hi everyone. Good morning.
Today
Today
I am here to
I am here to
present myself.
present myself.
I am here to present myself.
I am here to present myself.
So why I joined this course?
So I,
Why I joined this course?
so I,
Why I joined this course?
why
I joined this course
join this course?
because
Because
I want to speak English.
I want to speak English.
Speak up, no problem. I want to speak English.
I want to speak English.
I want to build my self confidence.
I want to
Build my self confidence.
self confidence.
Yes, you use your hands. Use your hand gesture. I want to build my self confidence.
I want to
Build my self confidence.
self confidence.
I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
I want to communicate in English.
I want to
Communicate in English. That is why
That is why
I came here. I joined this course. I joined this course.
I joined this.
So I am speaking. I am speaking English.
I speak English.
I am speaking English.
I am speaking English.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
I am Sushmita.
Speak up. Okay. Where are you from?
My from Kalburgi.
I am from Kalburgi.
Kalburgi.
Okay. So which college are you studying? Please you come here. Okay. In which college are you studying?
My college.
I am studying.
I am studying in MBA at Appa University.
You are studying MBA. Okay. Fine. So do you like your college?
Yes, I like your. No,
I like my college.
I like my college.
Yes. So what is the name of your college?
My name.
My college name is.
College name is Appa.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you go to college daily?
Yes, I go to college.
Yes. So who is your college principal?
My college principal name is
Huh. You don't like. Yeah, so you don't know your college principal?
Lakshmi Mata.
Lakshmi, madam. Okay, fine. So do you go to college every day?
Yes, I go to college.
College every day. Speak up. Speak up. No problem. Speak. You have to raise your voice. Okay. Speak clearly. Okay, fine. So you tell me something about, for example, what are your hobbies? Do you like reading, writing, speaking?
My hobbies are reading books,
Ah.
watching the movie,
Okay. And
writing
okay, writing notes.
notes.
Okay, fine. So how many friends do you have? Can you please tell me? How many friends do you have?
My friends, one.
You have, I have one friends. How many brothers do you have?
My brother.
I have.
Brother, one brother.
How many sisters do you have?
I have one sister.
Yes. So how much knowledge do you have? I have
have
so much knowledge.
so much knowledge.
Okay. Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Do you like your friends?
Yes, I like your.
I like my friends. Okay, do you come to spoken English class?
Yes,
I come to spoken English class. So when you come to spoken English class, what do you do in this class? Can you please tell me? What do you do here? What activities do you do here? Yes, in this class,
in this class.
what you do? Yes, you tell me just two or three sentence. Yes, I read.
I read.
I write.
I write.
You are
I
speaking,
speak.
but actually I can't hear you. Speak up. Okay, raise your voice.
I read. I
Huh.
speak.
Huh.
I write.
Okay. So I do all these activities. I do all these activities. Use your hands.
I read all this.
I do all these activities.
I do
All these activities. I do reading activities.
I
I do reading activities.
do
Reading. I do speaking activities. Use your hand gesture. I do speaking activities.
I do speaking activities.
Yes. Okay. So hi. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody.
I do everything.
Yes. So you do one thing. For example, you are actually you should tell some sentences. Okay. Today
Today
I am here to
I am here to
speak English.
speak.
I am here to speak English.
I am here to speak. English.
Yes. I like myself.
I like my.
I believe in myself.
I believe in.
I trust myself.
I trust.
I support myself.
Support.
I talk to myself.
I talk to myself.
I am here
I am here
because I want to develop my personality.
I want to
Develop my personality.
develop my
That's why
That's
I came here.
I came.
Yes. So you are not using your hand gesture. I came here. I came here.
I came.
Do like this.
Do like this.
Yes. Okay. Do one thing. Yes. Do like this. Do like this. Yes. Do like this. Do yes. Yes. Future it is. Okay. It shows a present. It shows future. Do one second. It shows future. Yes.
It shows future.
No, yes, you don't tell me. Yes, I am telling you. Okay, it is past. Okay, when you are talking about past, you do past hand gesture. Present, you can do like this. Future, you can do. Okay, so present, I am in the class. Future, I will be in class. Past, I was in class. Okay, very well. So you are trying your level best. You have spoken very nicely. It was very great conversation, very amazing conversation, very fantastically you have spoken, very nice. Okay, you have tried. It is your first class, but you have tried. Okay, very well. Please take your seat. Next, one more. Okay, candidate, please.